Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trailboss. So this one is the custom trim level fitted with the Trailboss package. The custom Trailbosses are quite a bit different from the LT. The LT sits above these, but Chevy did a good job kind of differentiating between the two. You'll get a completely different grille and really a pretty different front end design. Instead of the Chevy emblem, you just get Chevrolet with a nice Z71 badge fitted right here. You'll see very focused on cooling. You can pretty much see the radiator straight through the grille. You also have the same beefy off-road tires fitted to the LT trim level. These are Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. Oh, what are these? 275, 65, R18 up front, and I believe it's the same out back. No, these are 275, 65, R18. Okay, it is a square setup. You're good. Get nice custom badging. So get the slow lowering tailgate. However, if you wanted to rush it, you absolutely could. It's not forced to be that slow. Let's take a look at the window sticker. This one is optioned with the 5.3 Ecotec V8. The 4.3 V6 is standard. This one also is optioned with the trailer brake controller. Those are the only two options this one has, so it comes in at $46,465. The Ecotec is mated to the 6-speed automatic, and it's black over jet black. Still a really nice interior, cloth seats of course. You can see all the custom suspension workings in there. And we'll go ahead, we'll take a quick peek at that 5.3. Quite a big engine. Is still room for the 6.2, of course, but not bad at all. Here's your washer fluid. Everything that you need to access is very accessible, even the dipstick, though you might want a step stool if you're short like me to get up there. Boy. There we go. I do like, it's almost like a carbon fiber design in the headlights. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's really nice in person. It really, it kind of helps out the front end looks. Doesn't look like it's just all plastic up there. All right. Still get your touchscreen with Sirius XM. But yeah. Give it a little bit of heat. Custom trim level does not come with a leather wrapped steering wheel, though it is available as an option, I do believe. You get tow haul mode. Then if you're curious how to get it into four-wheel drive neutral, I do believe you just hold it in tow haul mode. Though I'm not sure, that might not be how it works. I might have to do. I don't know. You know what? I'm not going to sit here playing with it. You guys came to see a drive. You're going to get a drive. As you can see, with the electronic parking brake, once you apply throttle, it's going to disengage that parking brake, which is good. It helps you from, burning up the parking brake from forgetting to turn it off, which I have done before in my personal cars. Yeah, because I'm smart. Totally. This visor is sliding, just like most, if not all, Chevys. The LTs get auto start stop. This one does not have it, which honestly is better for me. I don't like start stop. I don't like having to shut it off every time I get into my cars. So the fact that it doesn't even come with it is a huge bonus for me. What's also nice about the custom trim level is it has less features and less weight. So it really kind of makes it a little bit quicker in a roundabout way. And also a little bit more simplistic. Less things to go wrong in the long run. And overall, just a little bit more durable. And it sure is quick. You can tell you are sat pretty high up. My seat is all the way down, and I'm still sat pretty much a little bit above the Touareg in front of us, this back window. Where the Trailboss really shines is being a off-road bargain. Seeing how the Raptor gets close to $70,000-$80,000 to get a pretty equivalent truck for half the price is pretty impressive. Sure, you could say it doesn't have the power and the suspension that the Raptor does, but for half the price to get a truck that really is going to have all the capabilities you would ever need on a day-to-day basis, I'm not going to complain. I can buy 2 of these for the price of a fully loaded Raptor. That says a lot. Not bashing the Raptor. Love the Raptor. Would still love to own one someday. But it puts a lot into perspective on how expensive that truck is. Where you can get a truck that's pretty capable, obviously not as capable as the Raptor, but pretty darn close, for half the price. Okay, a little bit more than half, but you know what? I'm making a point. Just go with it. You can already see the comments now. With these off-road tires, they are actually quite sticky, which provides a lot of lateral grip. So it actually handles pretty well. Obviously these tires aren't designed to be a sports tire, But you know what? It does a pretty good job at handling some good-sized corners. This truck being off-road focused, we'll go ahead and park it up in the dirt to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.